So are you wondering why things aren't changing for you? I have a very simple answer for you. Things don't change unless you change. You've been watching my videos now for months and months, sitting on the fence, saying I might do it later or I'll do it next month. Let me tell you, time is very expensive. We are already in the middle of 2025. Are you going to be in the same position you were in December 2024, when next Christmas comes around? Time waits for nobody, and opportunities come and go. So why not change? Why not do something about it? Instead of sitting there getting deeper and deeper into debt, not being able to pay for groceries, not being able to pay for petrol or school fees. The cost of living is not slowing down. You've got to speed up and take control of that steering wheel and get yourself back on track. It doesn't take much. In fact, with my system, you only have to work 2 hours a day to a proven automated system, which once set up requires no inventory, no overheads, and no recruiting. So what are you waiting for? Take that chance today. It could change your life in as little as 30 days. Drop yes in the comments and let me get you the information that you need to be able to be financially free within the next 30 days.